Hi, my name is Paul Oldham and I lead outdoor learning at Ashville College. The aim of outdoor learning is to get our children outside as much as possible, learning in the natural environment, whether it be maths, English, history or teaching for character. So this morning Year 6 children are going to be using a compass. We're going to be teaching them how we can locate north using this. We're going to become familiar with 8 points of the compass, and then we're going to associate that with angles of a turn and degrees. Many of our sessions begin, I like to start with a group task where we talk about character. We've been using the phrase practical wisdom to be able to look at how we behave, know how we behave, but then also to put into practice. Today the children begin to focus on communication and how to do that effectively and in a positive manner.